Hey G Squad, and welcome back to our channel. So before we get into our usual segment, I do have a word from my content manager. So if y'all would just give her just a few moments of your time, we really appreciate it. Thank you. Come on in. Come on, don't be shy, don't be shy. Hey G Squad, how you doing? Nice to meet you all. I will not take up too much of your time. I just wanted to pop in first of all and say kudos to you all who have subscribed to the channel. We appreciate it so much. I know your girl really appreciates. She really works hard behind the scenes with editing and putting all this stuff together. And then also we want to acknowledge the ones that do stop in and watch the video. However, I think you keep forgetting to do one thing, and that is to subscribe to the channel. It would mean so much and would help a lot if you would subscribe to the channel. And then also engagement. We love interacting with your family, so feel free to use their comment sections. For starters, let us know what you think about the new setup. And make sure you like, or if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. We recognize that not everything is for everybody, but at the end of the day, your interaction really helps. And then also family, one last thing, when you subscribe to the channel, there's like a drop down menu. Just if you can just click that arrow, and then you're going to see where it says all. Make sure you click the all notification or all button, so when she uploads a really good video, which pretty much in my opinion are all of them, but in any case, we don't want you to miss out on any uploads. Okay, so that bell will help you to be notified when she does upload a video. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to get out of your way so she can continue with her regular scheduled program. So once again, thank you family. Be well, love you guys, and I will see y'all again. Bye. Alright G Squad, so once again, thank you so much for allowing her to just slip in and do her little spiel. Not her little spiel, because she works just as hard behind the scenes as I do. So in any case, so as you can see by the title, while you're really here, in today's video, I'm going to be making tilapia, and I'm going to do like this curry cream sauce to go over it. And then I'm going to do some asparagus. Not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. Right now I'm thinking maybe sesame asparagus, but we'll wing it. We'll figure it out as we go along, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video, and I will see you over at the stove. Bye. Alright G Squad, so here's everything laid out here. I have my asparagus. I already washed them. I just have to go in and cut the edges off. I have my 2 nice sized tilapia here. They've already been washed. My seasonings, I have my curry powder. I have my rice flour. And here, this is some curry paste. And this is like kind of spicy, so just you use a little at a time, build up to your I guess the spicy consistency or taste that you like. But yeah, so curry paste. I have some ranch dressing here. Then I have some, I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. That's just some water. I have my sesame oil, and then my seasonings also here have black pepper, salt, and then I'm going to be using roasted garlic. Okay, so let's get right into this video. All right, G Squad. So there you have it. I have my sesame asparagus with tilapia, and it has a curry cream sauce on top. Okay, so G Squad, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please, make sure you do the usual. I really appreciate it. And on that note, you be blessed, be safe, love you fam, and have a wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye.